Hello and welcome to the Art of Still Life Styling prepping series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prep a few items with a steamer. Today we're going to be using a Jiffy steamer. It's my favorite garment steamer to use when prepping. So first, have our steamer plugged in here, and comes with a jug of water. So you would fill this up. Distilled water is preferred to preserve the life of the steamer. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this upside down and put it right in here. Ooh, out of frame. Anyway, so now that the water is in here, there's a little on-off switch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and tap it on with my foot. Green light comes on and we are ready to go. So today I'm gonna be starting with a t-shirt, a crop top, just like a basic white crop top. And you see how wrinkled this is? It's wrinkled in the front, it's wrinkled in the back, and yeah, can't have wrinkled merchandise when we're styling things to go online and for people to buy. So I'm gonna take my hanger, put it in here, and wait for the steamer to warm up. You can kind of hear it hissing right now. It's getting warm, and steam is going to start to come out. It is very important you do not put your hands or anything in front of this because it gets so hot and you could burn yourself. Steam burns are the worst burn. I mean, all burns are bad, but the burn from a steamer really sucks. So I'm going to hang it on here until steam starts to come out. You can hear the New York life going on in the background. Never a quiet, dull moment in the city. Okay, so steam is coming out. So I'm just going to start, I like to start with the sleeves. You can start wherever you want, but I'm going to take my hand, put it inside of the sleeve, so that way I can just kind of like hold it taut. I'm just going to take the steamer and move it around, making sure your hands are out of the way so you don't burn yourself. Then I'll take my steamer head and go on the inside of the shirt, kind of letting it be in one place for a while, releasing all those wrinkles. And making sure to go along the edges of the t-shirt as well to knock out any wrinkles there. Kind of turning it a little bit to get that hard edge or crease out. Turning to also get right here. Move around to the front. Kind of grabbing onto the seams and lightly pulling for two reasons, so that I don't burn myself, and also to kind of stretch the fabric just a little bit. So I'm going to continue doing this. I'm grabbing here, hit the neck. You can also go underneath to get the wrinkles out from the back side as well. There's some deep creases in this one. Let's see how much we're going to be able to remove. Okay, so I'm going. And it's really important to get these seams out, these creases out, because when you're shooting econ, sometimes they show up and you thought you got it out, or oh, this is good enough. You say to yourself, no one will ever see it. But believe me, people see it, and it's just good to have it out. I'm gonna go get the collar, bottom here. Now, in some cases, when you have really hard creases, you're gonna need to iron it instead. So now I'm gonna come over here and get the other sleeve. I'm gonna repeat the same process. Go on the interior of the sleeve. I'm kind of looking away because I don't want to burn myself. So I'm going to go ahead and get this crease right here. Nice and smooth, that's coming out. And then I'm going to turn it around. Even if you're not shooting the back and you have time, I seam out, all of the shirt, because I feel like it just helps it look better in the end. So I'm going to come from the inside. And you see I'm folding like the shirt so it's right against the steamer. And I'm coming down the side seam. Ooh, this is a deep crease. Do you see that? So we're just getting all the wrinkles out. All right. So some of the main important parts for me when I'm steaming a t-shirt, I like to get right under here, because underneath the arm, it makes it easier when I'm styling to just be really straight. So come under here and hold it right where the armpit is. And you'll see later why that's important when we get into styling. So I'm going to do the other side. Just hold it here, releasing those wrinkles. Then, before I take this to set, or if it's going to be worn, usually there's a big crease here in the shoulders, which makes the shape off when you're styling it. So I like to take the steamer on the inside and just knock out the marks from the hanger. Even if you have to put it back on the hanger until you're ready for it, I still grab it when I'm ready and knock out the shoulder marks. So that is how we steam a shirt. Look at that, all the wrinkles are out. It's beautiful. All of the steam kind of just softened up the hard creases over time. So also for econ, I like to make sure that you steam out the inside of the collar as well, because when you're styling, this whole part shows. So you want the tag to also be straight. It's just a little tidbit that some people don't always remember, but see, you want to make it look brand new. So that's a little tip. Always remember to steam the inside of the collar and make sure you steam the tag just to make sure it's straight. And steaming out the creases here unless the client wants the creases there. And also making sure to get that armpit. And you just put this back, turn the steamer off, and it's ready to go. If you like that quick video.